Hi readers, now it is time to complete your first vocabulary assignment. So in the Google Classroom, you're going to click on the Classwork tab. Then you're going to scroll down to Module 1, Closely Reading and Responding to Text. And you're going to go to Module 1, Lesson 1, Vocabulary, Introduction. Please click on that. And you will see all of the steps for this assignment. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to, step 1, watch the YouTube video from Khan Academy on Latin and Greek root and affixes. That will explain some information about them. Then you're going to view this video that I am using right now to explain the lesson to you. And then you're going to complete some practice, completing 6 vocabulary word squares, which I'll show you what those are in a moment. And then you will have an assessment. You'll complete a quiz on the words. And so to watch the video, you would click on the link below for the video, which you can do that in a few minutes. Then when it is time to complete the vocabulary practice, you're going to go below and click on the vocabulary practice Google Doc. And here it is. And so, as you can see, this is a graphic organizer that we're going to use for vocabulary all year. And so the first prefix that we're going to be studying and learning is pre, which means before. And you will have 6 words that use that prefix. And so the very first square on the top left corner is the definition square. And so in a moment, I'm going to show you where to go on the web to help you find definitions. The next square, as you slide over to the right, is the synonym or antonym square. This is where you can decide whether to put in a synonym or antonym. Next square, bottom left, you will create a sentence that uses the word preview in context correctly. And then lastly, the bottom right square, this is where you will find a pic to add to this square. And so let me go ahead and show you the resource that you're going to be using. Here it is. It's called Word Central. And it's wonderful because not only does it have a dictionary where you can find definitions to your affixes, it's got a thesaurus to find synonyms and antonyms. And maybe sometime we can do rhyming words as well. And so that is the tool that you are going to use. Let's go ahead back to the graphic organizer. And as you can see, I used that website, Word Central, to find the definition. We'll go back to that right now. We'll type in preview, click go, and here it is. So you'll see that there are 2 entries, and the definition is right down here. The part of speech is a verb, and it's to show or view in advance. So to watch ahead of time, preview. Then, when I needed to find an image, I simply went to Google Images. I scrolled down and I found one that I thought really best represents preview. And so I took that, copied it into my assignment. And there we go. Just like that, I have got my first vocabulary square done. I'll scroll down and you could see I've created spaces, squares for you to complete the rest of the words on your own. And so when you are finished with that assignment, you're going to make sure you submit that. And there will be a quiz below for you to complete. Okay, I can't wait to see your vocabulary graphic organizers completed.